This is gonna be a English vlog, so enjoy.
Say you remember me, me standing in a nice dress, staring at the sunset, babe. Say you remember me, me standing in a nice dress, staring at the sunset.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ashvi and I make videos related to fashion, food and lifestyle. So if you want to be a part of my journey, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon for not missing another update. Hey guys, so I hope everyone is doing absolutely fine and staying safe. Also, due to corona and all this situation, there was no logistic company or courier company like shipping out here properly. They were taking a lot of days and stuff, so I had to actually wait for one of my relative to come here and hand over the stuff to me, who was already traveling here. So yeah, and this is a long awaited video and finally I'm filming this. So guys, all voted for Amazon Freedom Day sale and I ended up buying both Amazon and Ajio क्योंकि हमें खर्चा करने में बहुत मज़ा आता है. So yeah, and also मैंने यहाँ से शॉपिंग किया था H&M में से, तो वो भी मैं दिखाऊंगी इसी वीडियो में. And also Nykaa. So yeah, I'll just show you all what I bought because I bought a lot of things. So yeah, let's get into the haul. So first we'll start with the clothing items. I'll finish first Amazon, then Ajio, and then H&M, and then we'll get back to accessories and homeware. So yeah, that's how we'll go about. So I was really not sure about the quality of kurtis on Amazon because I've never bought before. फिर भी मैंने सोचा कि चलो बाय करते हैं, देखते हैं क्या क्वालिटी निकलता है. This is the pink one. It is a pink in color and it got all funktas out here and some embroidery going out here on the neck and the whole kurti. It is a machine work going on, so in case if you are a fan of machine work, like if you're okay with it, you can definitely go and buy it. And also I'll be leaving the links down below in the description box below, so you can actually check how much it is for, because I'm not mentioning the prices because I bought it in the sale, so I don't know whether the same prices are there or not. So guys, it came with this palazzo, sharara kind of palazzo, and it is definitely see-through material, but it also has gotas going down. So yeah, it was really looking good, so I had to get this one, and I got this for very cheap. And this is from a brand called Sanganeri Kurti, and I got it in the medium size. So in case you want to buy, I've left the links down below. So this kurti was really looking good on me, and yeah, the pink color and the bandhani print was looking really awesome. So yeah, I had to get this one. So this is the only kurti set I got from Amazon because I was quite not sure about the quality. So yeah, and the second thing I bought from Ajio was this top. It is from their indie collection and I really like their indie collection. It has got all those prints and all. So yeah, this is how it looks. So this was a kind of peplum top, but this was very loose for me, so it was making me look very fat. I ordered this in the size medium, but it was too loose and too big for me. Third thing from Ajio, I got this palazzo with these ruffles going on. And yeah, the color was really good, so I was really looking forward to it. So yeah, I really like it. So you can pair up these ruffle pants or palazzo with some normal tee and some accessories and you're good to go. So the fourth thing, I got this shirt which I'm already wearing. So give me anything with a good sleeve and I'll just wear it. I love wearing those ruffles and poncho sleeves and all that. So I am really a fan of it. So I am a fan of shirts, and A&D does some really good shirts for office wear and normal wear, and yeah, the sleeves are actually standing out. So the first thing from H&M was this top, and yeah, it really looks good. It is a crop top. So this was from the brand called Monkey, which is owned by H&M. Second thing I bought from H&M was this pink dress. This looks pretty. I will definitely post on Instagram the outfit picture. And if you're not following me on Instagram, please do follow me on Instagram. The link is down below. So this was baby pink color, and yeah, it was giving a really good look on me, and I really loved it. So the third thing from H&M was this again, a dress, a black dress, and this also has a balloon sleeve going on. Only the factors I don't like about this dress is that it makes a lot of noise, like see this kind of noise, and I really didn't like it. So apart from the noise which it made, I really like the sleeves of the dress, and yeah, it is super comfy. The last thing from H&M was this t-shirt. This is how it looks on me. It's got a really nice sleeve going on. So yeah, even this is a basic t-shirt. The puffed sleeves look really great on me and I liked it. Moving on to skincare. So this is what I bought from Amazon. The M Caffeine Naked and Raw Coffee Under Eye Cream, the face serum, and also the face wash. So this is how it looks, and I'm really trying it out already. So I'll tell you all how it is on the skin, and do I see a difference or not. So for the makeup, from Nykaa I had ordered my favorite lipstick. I really wanted to try this since a long time because Nykaa is not available here in Dubai, so I really had to order this one. So this is in the shade Kashi, and yeah, this is how it is, and I really like this shade, and I'm really waiting to try this. I've not tried it yet, so I will definitely let you all know how it looks on me. So this is how the swatch looks like. So the second thing I got is the PAC lip pencil in the shade Mauve, that is LPL 14, and I really like this. I'm looking forward to try this. So this was a proper mauve shade. So my sister suggested me for going for LA Girl contour and corrector. So I ordered this shade Espresso LA Girl, and I also ordered the orange corrector because I have a lot of dark circles, और हम नींद पूरी करते हैं फिर भी dark circles तो आ ही जाते हैं, तो हमें छुपाना भी पड़ता है, तो हम ये यूज़ करेंगे. Hey guys, so moving on to homeware. This is what I got from Amazon, the wooden spoons, because I really feel that the steel ones chop off the non-stick layer, which is not good, and so I had to get these, and these are super affordable, and these come in the set of 11 or 10, and I'm leaving a link down in case you want to buy. Then I got this wooden tray from Amazon itself, and it is really nice. I like it, and as I make food related videos, so I thought I'll just use this in a very good way. So yeah, you'll see in my cooking videos. Moving on to accessories. So the first thing I bought from Ajio was this bag, and this is how it looks like. It is a multicolored, and I really liked it, and you can use it on any outfit and it'll look just amazing. Even on this shirt, it looks pretty nice. So I really like this bag, and it really gives a good touch to your basic outfits as well, and yeah, I liked it. So the second thing I bought from accessory section was this it is a necklace kind of thing, and this is from the indie collection of Ajio, and I really like it. This neck piece was quite different than the others, so I had to buy this. Hey guys, so the next thing I got from accessory section was these choker, and this looks really nice. Like you wear it and it amps up your outfit, and also this comes with a earring. This is a set, so it really looks pretty nice. So this looks really good, and the reason of me holding it because it was too loose, so I had to fix it up. You can also wear these earrings just alone as well. So the second thing I got in accessories was this dangler earrings from Amazon. They look pretty nice. See how it looks on the screen already. And this was perfect for all kind of outfits. I really loved it. Next I got is these earrings from Amazon itself. These have these shells going on out here, and they look pretty nice when you wear it. And this also gives me complete Garba feeling, Navratri feeling. These were the best purchase I made so far. I really loved it. Hey guys, so the last thing from the accessory section was this choker. This comes in a whole set. It has a bracelet going on with this, and it also has two earrings. And it also has two earrings going on, which are like a hoop. And the choker can be worn two ways, this way and also this way. So it looks pretty nice, and yeah. So this comes in a whole set, and I forgot to mention even the ring comes with it. Hey guys, that was it for my video, and if you like my video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and also share my video, and I'll see you next time. Also bye, take care, and also stay safe.